everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, path trader, partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin Cash, looking at the double bottom, never triggered yet. Still waiting for it to trigger. See, it spiked up, but we're waiting for a close, especially since this is against the rotation zone. Looks like it could get there now, but these are slightly lower probability against the rotation zone, and all the targets still remain intact, so nothing else changes there. Switching over to Bitcoin Gold. Also, still valid. It's a confirmed double bottom. It's still in play. It has not formed a triple bottom yet. You can see it spiked in the rotation zone spike, but we were waiting for a close above 195.55. Not happened yet. Still in play. Now, if it drops back down and makes a triple bottom, then ignore these targets. The targets to the downside are fine. The targets to the upside are not fine anymore. And then we go and see if it formed a good enough of a horizontal channel and start using those targets for both the upside and downside projections. But nothing else to do. Still watching for a close above that 195.55. Switching over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did trigger, pulled back, gave multiple pullback entries on this thing. And people were wondering, we got contacted, what's the stops on these things? Well, we use, measured from the low of the left-hand side to the high peak, we use a 62.5 and 75% initial retracement. It was on a closing basis of 10,480. So below that, or spiking or trading at any point below 10,378. Neither of them happened. You see it spiked down here, but it did not close. Now, it's hit our stop reduction again. We didn't use this the first time because we didn't get in the pattern yet. It had to get on a pullback. Now, it would normally be on a closing basis below the 10,682, and you could always use a walk away below the 50% retracement. We'd put it below 10,650 down here, below here. So that's where the stop would be now for this. Still, the other profit targets are in place. Almost got up to this 11,597 area, just shy of the 50 exponential moving average. Those are, and then remember, that's the highest probability target. The 11,798 is the lower probability target since it goes into the wicks. Let's check in on the daily for this one. So on our daily chart, let's see, we have went up, and you can see it tapped right there to the 8 EMA. So let me see if I can center this a little more. Let me see so we can see it. It's a little hard to zoom in, but you can see it right here, tapping just below that level we showed on the 4-hour chart and the 8 EMA. So that could have, if you were in front and you see it tap the 8 EMA, you can always use that as a profit target too, given the close vicinity. If not, you're still in it for the 11,597. And again, nothing's changed also with the downside targets on Bitcoin. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, and Bitcoin. We will talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.